This is my brother starting his engine. Gentlemen, start your engines. Or maybe not. And there she goes. So what year is that one?
Somewhere is 1910. International Harvester, 2.5 horsepower. Famous.
She got tired.
The only trouble is you're not yellow.